So, hello everyone. Welcome back to another session discussing for the issues of alternative energy sources. Today we will be discussing methods of hydrogen and fuel cells in general, a short introduction of the operations of okay, sorry, internet locked me out. So we will be discussing about the methods of hydrogen fuel cells, the operations, a short case study of what these new technologies bring and how these new technologies are assessed and what are the effects and the impact on the daily operations, and some related hazards that we will be discussing. Now, this is not a purely theoretical module or a presentation. We will not go into the bits and pieces of the hydrogen production, what hydrogen is, or fuel cells. We will be discussing the practicalities from the perspective of the executive or of the operator in day-to-day activities. How are you going to be using these new energy sources, and what are the issues there that you should address? And more precisely, we will be discussing the some of the hazards. Although we're going to see how these compare to other energy sources, there are a lot of risks there, or at least a couple of them are quite important. And these are the issues that should be addressed when trying to develop a system, or to assess more in general a system that has hydrogen as an energy source. Said that there are a lot of different energy source alternatives like LNG or fuel cells or windmills or photovoltaics and so on and so forth. So each and every of these systems brings on some benefits and has some pitfalls, it has some risks, some costs that these systems incur. At the end of the day, what you have to assess is whether the energy, the cost of the energy that is produced, first of all, is sufficient for your system. And second of all, if the costs in producing this energy, as well as the risks that are brought to the system, make up for through the benefits. So, said that, short introduction for today's agenda, some safety issues on a high level, some hydrogen-related safety practicalities and practical issues, and some Q&A towards the end of this assessment. Now, following yesterday's lecture, I would also like to thank you for bearing with me yesterday with my voice. Actually, unfortunately, I have the same issue today, so I would kindly ask you to bear with me today too. I will try to break this session. Sorry, I think I'm back.